We call this a hand, foot turning, just because you're going hand, foot, and you're turning while you're doing it. Starting wide, I'm going to drop down through my hips, rotate the arms to the right, and place them close to underneath the hips. From here, the right leg will swing around. It'll sort of knock the left leg. And then I'm just going to transfer the weight onto my left foot. So now you're facing back. Go ahead and do that with me. Drop the hips, rotate the trunk to the right, and then with my shoulders stacked over my hands, my right foot will make a semicircle and sort of knock my left. Now push off of your right foot to stand on your left. Then I'm just going to do that the other direction. So the right foot will sneak out, wrap your shoulders to the left, circle the left foot, it'll knock the right foot, and then push off of your left foot. So if you want to just watch me do that in sequence, it looks like that. Couple of things. This movement tends to trip people up in terms of directionality. Some things I find helpful is if I am starting to bear weight more on my left leg, my fingers are going to turn to the right, like so. The other thing that tends to be challenging for people is if you place your hands anywhere else really besides underneath you, you don't have that stacked shoulder over wrist, so then you have less glide and control over how your legs are sweeping around. Let's just try those things. So softening onto the left leg, wrapping to the right, place the hands underneath you, and then really big bend in the knee, wrapping the fingers to the left. This sort of effortless, weightless gliding of the feet is happening because of that stack that I just talked about, and also because of an activation scoop in my low abs and trying to get kind of light in the pelvis. So that's our first movement. We'll just do it one more time each side to really lock it in there. Dropping the hips. And to the left.